Hello and welcome to the session. Today I'll help you with the following question. The question says, draw the line passing through the points 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. To do this, first we draw the x-axis and the y-axis. We have taken the horizontal line as the x-axis and this vertical line as the y-axis. And the point where these two axes meet, that is this point, is called the origin, that is O, whose coordinates are 0, 0. Now we mark the points on the x-axis and the y-axis. As you can see on the graph, we have marked the points on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. Next we have to locate the points 2, 3 and 3, 2 on the graph. First we locate the point 2, 3 where 2 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. For this we move 2 units on the x-axis. So we reach at this point. Now from here we move 3 units up along the y-axis and so we reach at this point. So this point, let's name it A, has the coordinates 2, 3. So we have located the point 2, 3. Next we shall locate the point 3, 2 where 3 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. For this again we move 3 units along the x-axis. We reach at this point and from here we move 2 units up along the y-axis. So we reach at this point. We name this point as B, whose coordinates are 3, 2. Thus we have located the point 3, 2 also on the graph. Now we join these 2 points and extend that line joining these 2 points to meet the x-axis and the y-axis. So on joining these 2 points A and B, we see that the line joining these 2 points meet the x-axis at this point, which is 5, 0. That is 5 is the x coordinate and 0 is the y coordinate. Let's name this point as C. And we also see that this line meets the y-axis at this point whose coordinates are 0, 5. That is 0 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. And we name this point as D. So we say the line will cut x-axis at point 5, 0 and y-axis at 0, 5. So this is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed the session. Have a good day.